that name that is above every other name. The Bible recorded that at the mention of his name, every knee, oh my God. I have never seen the righteous forsaken, nor his seed beg bread. No, he's a God who never forget his own. No, hey, then I have never seen the righteous forsaken, nor the seed of righteous begging bread at all, at all. He's a God who never forget his own. No, listen,